That's the water bottle.
That's a bottle.
This is what I'm shooting.
My undialed in AR. His
Glock.
dialed in handgun. We getting it.
300 Blackout.
Go.
Huh?
You first.
Me first?
Go.
Got it.
Who?
I did.
Bullshit.
There it goes. More water. Okay. So, it was the Glock against the 300 Blackout. Now, I'm going to add this video to this. Super zoomed in. I want to zoom in close. And I want y'all to compare the shots. Got it.
Who?
I did.
Bullshit.
There it goes. More water.
I hit it first. I hit it first.